Greetings, curious wanderers and aspiring adventurers. Today, we're diving into an enticing concept that combines wanderlust with financial incentives. Welcome back to our channel, where we're about to unveil the 10 countries that will pay you to live there. Imagine exploring new horizons while getting paid for the privilege. But before we delve into this dreamlike opportunity, make sure you're subscribed and that notification bell is activated. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on the incredible possibilities we are about to unveil. Are you ready to discover places where living your best life comes with a paycheck? This isn't just a fantasy, it's a reality that's gaining traction in various corners of the world. Get ready to uncover the countries that offer financial incentives to call their lands home. And hold on to your hats, because the spotlight is shining brightest on our number one pick, a destination that not only pays you but also offers a unique blend of cultural experiences and lifestyle enhancements. Now let's dive in. 10. Chile. Our odyssey commences in Chile, a nation witnessing a steady rise in both economic and demographic significance. Through its visionary Startup Chile program, this South American gem invites entrepreneurs with innovative ideas to settle and thrive, offering funding and support to help make dreams come true. With breathtaking landscapes, a rich cultural heritage, and an entrepreneurial ecosystem, Chile offers a vibrant setting for those ready to seize opportunities. 9. New Zealand. Moving to the captivating islands of New Zealand, we encounter a nation that prioritizes environmental preservation and welcomes skilled workers. With its forward-thinking, global impact visa, New Zealand invites those who can contribute to its development goals, offering a pathway to residency and a beautiful backdrop for life. From stunning natural wonders to a welcoming society, New Zealand opens its arms to individuals ready to make a positive impact. 8. Ireland. Our next stop takes us to the charming shores of Ireland, where culture and innovation intersect. Through programs like the visionary Tech-Life Balance, Ireland entices tech professionals to relocate, providing a harmonious work-life balance that's hard to resist. The Irish charm, dynamic urban centers, and collaborative work environment make Ireland an exciting option for those seeking rewarding careers and an enriching lifestyle. 7. Estonia. Venturing into the digital realm, we arrive in Estonia, a tech-savvy nation that offers the forward-looking e-residency program. This initiative grants access to digital services and the ability to establish and manage a business remotely, making Estonia an attractive option for digital nomads and entrepreneurs alike. With a thriving tech scene, stunning landscapes, and a forward-looking society, Estonia offers a unique blend of innovation and lifestyle. 6. Canada. Our journey leads us to the vast landscapes of Canada, known for its open arms and inclusivity. Through its community-focused rural and northern immigration pilot, Canada welcomes skilled workers and their families to revitalize smaller communities, offering a chance to thrive and contribute to local development. From breathtaking natural beauty to diverse cultural experiences, Canada provides a welcoming environment for those ready to make a difference. 5. United Arab Emirates. Stepping into the Middle East, we find the United Arab Emirates, a land of opulence and innovation. The visionary Golden Visa program beckons investors, entrepreneurs, and professionals, offering a pathway to long-term residency and a gateway to business opportunities. With its iconic skyline, multicultural society, and thriving economy, the UAE invites those seeking a dynamic and prosperous lifestyle. 4. Spain. Venturing into the sun-kissed lands of Spain, we encounter a nation that's breathing new life into its rural villages. The Andalusia Self-Employment Program invites entrepreneurs to settle in rural areas, revitalizing communities while enjoying the Spanish way of life. From historic towns to vibrant cities, Spain offers a blend of traditional charm and modern conveniences, making it an ideal destination for those ready to embrace a new adventure. 3. South Korea. Moving eastward, we arrive in South Korea, a dynamic blend of tradition and technology. The forward-thinking, K-Startup Grand Challenge beckons tech entrepreneurs, offering funding, mentorship, and an immersive experience in South Korea's thriving tech ecosystem. With a fusion of ancient culture and cutting-edge innovation, South Korea offers a unique environment for those ready to make their mark in the tech world. 2. Switzerland. Our penultimate destination takes us to the picturesque landscapes of Switzerland, known for its precision and quality of life. Through certain cantonal programs, highly skilled professionals are offered attractive tax incentives and a chance to enjoy the Swiss lifestyle. With its breathtaking alpine scenery, efficient cities, and high standard of living, Switzerland offers a blend of career opportunities and leisure experiences that's hard to resist. 1. Iceland. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. Our number 1 pick is the breathtaking Iceland. With its visionary remote work visa, Iceland invites remote workers to experience its otherworldly natural wonders while being productive. Imagine working against the backdrop of glaciers and geysers, a truly unique opportunity. With its pristine landscapes, vibrant culture, and innovative policies, Iceland offers a lifestyle that's both inspiring and enriching. Conclusion. There you have it, fellow dream chasers, our guide to the 10 countries that will pay you to live there. From entrepreneurial opportunities to stunning landscapes, these nations are welcoming individuals who want to merge life and career in the most inspiring way. If you found this opportunity-packed countdown fascinating, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and hit that subscribe button for more incredible travel insights and lifestyle possibilities from around the world. We will promptly respond to your comments or questions. Until next time, remember that living your best life isn't just a dream, it's a reality waiting to be explored in the countries that beckon you with open arms and financial incentives.